President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. stressed that growth means nothing if Filipinos remain in poverty. Despite a 5.5% GDP rise in Q2 of 2025, he vowed to boost programs in jobs, healthcare, and education to make progress more felt on the ground. Harley Valbuena reports.
To ensure that ordinary Filipinos feel the impact of the growing economy. This is the promise of the government after President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. stressed out in his fourth State of the Nation address that a vibrant economy is worthless if many Filipinos remain poor. The Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA reported today a 5.5% growth in the country's gross domestic product for the second quarter of 2025. This is higher than the 5.4% GDP growth during the first quarter of 2025, but lower than the 6.3% recorded in the second quarter of 2024. According to PSA, the 5.5% GDP growth is equivalent to 6.965 trillion pesos GDP price, or the overall price value of produced domestic goods and services from April to June this year. PSA says all major economic sectors recorded growth.
Ang mga pangunahing sektor ng ekonomiya na agriculture, forestry and fishing, industry at services ay nagsipagtala ng mga pagtaas na 7%, 2.1% at 6.9% respectively.
Household consumption also grew by 5.5%, 8.7% in government consumption, 4.4% in exports, and 2.9% in imports. The economy continues moving forward despite global uncertainties such as the tariff of the USA and also the temporary halt in some government projects amid the election spending ban during midterm elections. Department of Economy, Planning and Development or DepDev, meanwhile, said that the Philippines remains one of the fastest growing economies in Asia, surpassing China and Indonesia. An economist is also confident that the target 5.5% to 6% GDP growth for 2025 will still be achieved. But some Filipinos desire to feel the effects of the vibrant economy through programs with direct impact on their lives.
Sa trabaho po, magandang trabaho, opportunity po. Sa ospital lang po, saka yung sa ng highway, kalsada, laging traffic eh.
Tulong sa mga katulad kong PWD, lalo na sa amin, wala kaming pahanap buhay, ganon.
Hence, DepDev assured that in the last 3 years of the Marcos administration, programs in education, health, food security, and digital and physical connectivity will be improved.
Going to focus a lot of efforts, including in the budget, for education, health, social protection, connectivity, both digital and physical, and food security. So those are the things that our president mentioned as mga services na must be felt, must be experienced by ordinary Filipinos.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.